Hello everyone, my name is Lamar Adams and I'm a recent participant in the Achieving Success in the Application Process, or better known as the CLEO ASAP program. As a recent participant, I had a few takeaways. The first being from the Dean of Admissions. Be authentic in your law school application. The prestige of your accolades and experiences does not ultimately define if you're going to get accepted into law school. The second being financial aid maneuvering. Look into different ways to maneuver financially in law school. Look into graduate plus loans, unsubsidized loans. Access Lexus Databank has a list of different scholarships and grants. Apply for grants and scholarships for the school that you're going to. And lastly, LSAT prep preparation. Take a LSAT prep course before taking the LSAT. Look into Kaplan, into Law Hub, Advantage Testing, Khan Academy, the list goes on. These different takeaways are the reason why I strongly urge you to be a member in the Achieving Success in the Application Process, or better known as the CLEO ASAP program. Thank you.